Hello everyone, let's take a look at today's daily question. Today, we're going to look at a multiple choice question from the 2025 Shandong second mock exam, which mainly focuses on probability calculation. Let's first look at the question. It says that A and B are random events. The probability of A is 0.5 and the probability of B is 0.4. Then there are four options for us to choose the correct one. First, option A says that if A and B are mutually exclusive, then the probability of A union B is 0.9. Based on our understanding of mutually exclusive events, mutually exclusive means that these two events cannot happen at the same time. Therefore, according to the addition formula for the probability of mutually exclusive events, we can get the following result. PA union B should be equal to PA plus PB. According to the values given, PA and PB are 0.5 and 0.4 respectively, so we can see that their probability is 0.9. There is no problem with option A, so the main thing is that we need to clearly understand that mutually exclusive events cannot happen at the same time. Also, there is another concept here, which is the complementary event. In fact, a complementary event is simply not A, that is B. Not A or B. This is what we call a complementary event. Now, let's look at 2B. For 2B, it says that if A and B are independent, then PA and B bar, right? Its probability is 0.2. So for independent events, we know that the probability of both independent events occurring is equal to the product of their individual probabilities. Therefore, the probability of PA and B bar should be equal to PA multiplied by PB bar. Now, PB is 0.4, so we can calculate PB bar, which should be equal to 1 minus PB, that is 1 minus 0.4, which equals 0.6. So, according to this probability formula, we should have 0.5 multiplied by 0.6 equals 0.3, which is not equal to our 0.2. Therefore, statement 2, B is incorrect. As for statement CC, it also tests our understanding of independent events. Since A and B are independent, the probability of the union of A and B, first of all, because A and B are independent, we can get that PAB, it equals PA multiplied by PB, which is 0.5 times 0.4 equaling 0.2. Now for PA union B, according to our probability addition formula, it should equal PA plus PB minus the probability that both occur PAB. So it should be equal to 0.5. Plus 0.4, then minus 0.2, and this result equals 0.7. So option C is correct. For question 4D, it's testing our understanding of conditional probability. First, it gives us the probability of B occurring given that A has occurred, which is 0.5. So let's write out the formula first. P of B given A. It should be equal to PAB divided by PA. Now PA is our 0.5 and then PAB. Dividing by 0.5 equals 0.5. So we can determine that the probability of A and B happening together should be 0.25. Next, what we need to find is P of B given not A. So its result should be, let's write out the formula first. It's equal to PA complement divided by PA complement B. Alright, PA complement we know is equal to 1 minus PA. Then PA complement B should be equal to PB minus the value of PAB. Alright, let's go ahead and substitute the values. We have 1 minus 0.5, then PB is 0.4, and we subtract PAB, which is 0.25. After we solve this calculation, our final result comes out to be 0.15. Divided by 0.5 equals 0.3. So our answer for option D is also correct. Therefore, the correct answers are A, C, and D. So, for this question, what it mainly tests us on is the formulas related to probability, which involve mutually exclusive events. We also talked about, besides mutual exclusivity, what complementary events are, that is, not A or not B. In addition, we discussed independent events and our 4D, conditional probability.